This photo I just got from one of my clients. He wants me to do a basic retouching on it. That means he wants me to remove the scratches from the product and remove the reflection from the glasses and put a basic gradient on it. So let's begin the process. First of all, I will select the spot removal tool and try to remove the spots from the product. I'm going to fast forward the video so you don't waste your valuable time. I was confused about the left bottom dark spot on the left glass, so I took a look on other images from the same client to verify, and I found out it is the logo that just got blurred, so I keep it there without removing. Now I'm going to select the upper part of the glasses by pen tool. I gave a 2% feather on the selection. Now I will add a gradient on it. Change the angle to 0 degree. Select a basic gradient from the gradient library. Change both colors to match the sunglasses. Now I need to fix the flow of the colors. And I think this is good. Now rasterize the layer, apply marks. Now we need to add noise on the layer because it is a solid color, does not have any details on it. So add a noise like 1 pixel. And then repeat the same process on the other side. After adding gradient to both sides, we need to fix the imperfection from the glass surface. To do it, I am going to need them on the same layer. So press Ctrl, Shift, Alt and E to make a copy for all the visible layer. Now take the Patch tool and fix those areas. So this was before and this is after. Thank you for watching this video. If you learn anything from this video, support me to make more videos like this and stay with me by press the bell icon, do subscribe and follow, and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you again.